we are going to be creating a cron job that will execute at a set time. Maybe we'll just make it simple for the first time. Maybe later we'll post another video for advanced cron job execution. So we're going to create a folder, or we're going to write a script to create a folder. We are not going to create that folder directly. We're going to write a script, a shell script. Then we take that shell script to the cron job and put in some commands and see if we can be able to use that script to make a folder or a directory at a specific time. So like we make mention before, maybe you might have an excuse, or maybe you have something to do and you'll not be able to come to work, or you'll not be able to go at a specific place at a specific time, or to be able to access the machine at a set time. So sometimes these tasks are very useful. If you have too many things to do, you can be able to automate some of these tasks. So let's see how we can be able to create a cron job that will make a folder, at a set time. Then later we can see how to modify some things there. So here's my Red Hat Enterprise Linux version 5, and here we're gonna, if you can see we can create a folder. We can create a folder here. I think my current working directory should be the root directory right now, but we can create a folder maybe on the desktop, or we can create a folder here. So basically we're going to be creating a folder on this root directory. So first what we'll do, we have to write a script to be able to create a folder. To do that, I'm going to use the nano editor to write my script. So you can use the VAD, any of these editors if you are familiar with them. So I'm going to write a class, the sh script. And in this script, we're going to put our commands. The picture is a little bit slow. Then here we can put a command, and the command is to make a directory called, maybe how do we call it? We call it Unity. So we want to make this folder or this directory called Unity at a set time. So this is the command to make a directory or to make a folder, but we are doing it using a cron job technique. So this is it. We have put the command make this directory called Unity. So I can try to move from here. So I use Control X to get out, and it asks me if I want to save. I press Y, and that was it. So now we have our script ready. We can also change the mode or the permission on this script. So if you see here, this script was not created. So we have this script called class .sh. If you look here, there's a script class .sh. So we can change the permission for that using the chmod command. Chmod 755 class. Why? Okay, so you do the command like this way: chmod 755 class.sh. The 755 is the essence of the 755 is just the kind of permission that I want on this strip. So I want the owner of this strip to have a read, write, and execute permission, and I want every other user or every other group to have the permission of reading and execution. So except the owner of this strip, which is the root, there is no other person that can have a write permission, so you cannot write to the strip. You can only read it, you can execute it, so you cannot write to the script. That's the essence of the 755. chmode is just to change the mode of this thing. So now we have our strip ready. We can create our Cronjob. To do so, we type Cron. Where's my cursor? Oh. We type Crontab -E. Crontab -E, and it's going to take us to our Cron environment. We have something like this. So by default, you cannot do any editing here. To be able to edit, you press the I on your keyboard, and that's for insert. If you want to insert something, you can make changes. So if you see here, we have the meaning, we have the hour, we have the day of the month, the month and the day of the week, plus the command. So basically, we can include all of these things, but if you don't want to include maybe the meaning, the hour, any of this function you does not want to include, you can just put an asterisk to get rid of that. So for example, we are going to run this strip maybe oh, we're supposed to see the date and time. Let me see something first. Okay, let me just save this and see what's the meaning right now on my computer. Q. So W is for you to, save, then Q is for you to quit. So you hold the shift key, colon WQ to save and quit, because I want to see the actual date and time. Now terminal and press enter, so you see the full date, because I want to see what is the meaning right now, so they can be able to put that in. So the meaning right now is 39, it's 10, no, it's 12:39. So maybe we can put our Cronjob to run maybe at 12. Maybe we can set it at 12:45 or 12:43, just in case. Let's see if we can do that quick. 45. $12.45. So 12:45, we're gonna have this strip to run. Press the escape key and use the shift column WQ to save and quit this. So our folder at 12:45 we should have. So let me list the directory here so that you see that we don't have. So right now we don't have that folder here. Just in case we want to see which folder, the name of the folder was about to create, you can use the cat command. We can use the cat command plus the file name and the name of the strip or the name of the file to see the content of the file. So previously, when we listed our directory, we never had any file called unity. So we should be able to see at 12:45, we should have a folder name called Unity. And if this works, then we are set to go. Okay, so now we see we have a folder here called Unity. So this is how you create a Cronjob. This is how you create things automatically. So I hope it was very helpful. And just in case you have any question or you have any concerns, you can let me know by leaving your comments. So you first create a script, then you can open a Crontab and put in your command based on the specific specification, like how you want it to be. Maybe at which time you want it to run, you can put that those times in line with what you have in plan. So hope it was interesting and hope it was beneficial. Thanks for watching. I'm OLANO TEAH, the first to be called the Guru B.